Hey Russell fam, in today's video I'm going to share with you a flip through of the Good and the Beautiful Handwriting Level 3. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this YouTube channel we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. I'm a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. I am currently homeschooling a 1st grader and a 6th grader. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a flip through of the Good and the Beautiful Handwriting Level 3. And I'm going to use this with Bailey. He is my 6th grader currently, but he has done cursive before. And so I kind of wanted to start over with the basics again. He is my lefty. He is my left-handed one. God love him. We got to a point where he's a boy, he's left-handed. Need I say more? But my point is that I do want to get back on the cursive bandwagon. I think it is so important for children to be able to at least read cursive. If they can't write it, that's fine. I don't have a problem with that, but I do want them to be able to sign their name in cursive, and I want them to be able to read words in cursive because I think that is so important. Most of our historical documents are written in cursive. So like I said, I wanted him to be able to read it. I'm going to do the same with Becca, but the reason I started with level 3 is because it was easing into the cursive again, starting with the formation of all the letters. He may remember some of it, and if he does, we'll go through it pretty fast, but I didn't want to just jump to level 4, which had more cursive in it. I did want to start back at the basics to refresh his memory because it has been a while since he has done cursive. So I'm going to turn this camera around and we're going to look at the Good and the Beautiful. All right, let's get started with this flip through. This is Handwriting Level 3. And this is their 2nd edition. And I love how it shows big letters and the little letters right next to each other. I had used a curriculum before that started with the little letters. When we first did the curriculum for Bailey in 3rd grade, it started off with the little, then it went with the big, and I like that it shows how it has the big and the little together, and you can practice those. And so here are all the practices, and it tells you what it looks like in cursive versus what it looks like in print. And I probably won't do the print work with Bailey since he's in 6th grade. He knows how to print. But like I said earlier, this was kind of the best beginner level to refresh his memory. So it does have some print work in here to go along with the cursive. Like here you're writing A's. And then here it's telling you to do some more print work practice and then cursive work practice. So I will let you know how this goes once we get into it. Here we go with some more print copy work, but then you get down here in the little letters, and here it shows you that this is L, this is M, so that helps. And I love that they have great little things right here, you know, be kind, God is love, because we are Christian homeschoolers if you are new to our channel. But here is some more copy work, or print work. And then here's some more copy of the cursive. Here's a fun little dot to dot. Let me skip a couple pages. All right, and here again, there's some more print work. Now you're working on some capital letters. And it looks like it keeps just going over. And here's some cursive work. and then do it down here. There's some more dot to dot. I like that that's in there. That helps with your writing as well for the different curves and things. And every time there is an X, like right here, it tells you to pick your pencil up. I don't know if you can see it, but right here at the top, there's a bunch of colors for the dots, and it's telling you the different strokes that you use. And then the X always means lift your pencil up. And then it's just going through all of the letters with practice. So he should go through this pretty quick. There is, I might have skipped some of the pages, but here's some of the little words where it's teaching them to connect, which I like, because the other one just gave them massive words. After they learned to write several of them, it was just really big words, and you had to combine a whole bunch of different letters together. But I like how this is keeping it very simple. It's just teaching you how to form the actual individual letters, and then it gradually goes into combining them. I know that, like here's kite. You practice it up here and then write it here. The same with tree. But this one doesn't look as intense as the other one, which is good, and that's why I picked this one out, because the one we used for 3rd grade with him was super intense. It wasn't very fun. It didn't have all these neat little things in it to do. It was just basically, here's the letter, write it, and then move on to that. So it was boring. It wasn't fun. And as we all know, copy work isn't fun anyway, but I do like how they've incorporated a lot of different things in these lessons. So there is the flip through. I hope you have found this video helpful. I always try to do some form of flip through with every curriculum I use. I just think it is so important, because I know when I'm looking at a curriculum, I want to see it up close and personal. I want to see the pages. I want to, be able to, somebody to flip them for me. So when I go to find a curriculum, I go to YouTube. So that's why I make these videos too, because I find them helpful. So I want to help you. If you have used the Good and the Beautiful, drop me a comment and let me know what curriculum you use from the Good and the Beautiful and what you thought of it. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye. Today is Sunday, April the 4th. Here is the update on the bread. There is still no mold. As you can see, there's nothing here. And if you're wondering why this is in this video, I will leave a link up in the iCard. It's a homeschool science experiment we are doing.